Hey besties, today's wig review is by Sensationnel. This is their lace front wig, Jocelyn, and this wig is a free part wig, which basically means you can shift it from side to side. As you see, that's the only little piece of lace in the middle that you have to work with, so it's basically a shifter. And this wig does come with combs and adjustable straps, as you guys can see, and I'm just going to cut the lace off on this wig. I am going to be doing a giveaway with this unit, so I didn't want to cut any baby hairs in this unit, so I'm working with my own. So yeah, I'm just going to cut the lace off as best as I could with it on my head. Usually I do it with it in my hand, but yeah, this unit is going to be a giveaway unit. And all you basically have to do is follow the rules below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, and comment below and let me know you want this wig. And yeah, so basically I had to add a little bit foundation into this unit because, as y'all seen, I wasn't working with much with that part. But I really didn't want to do too much to it because I'm trying to do a giveaway with this unit once again. I would say this unit is about 24 inches long, and yeah, as you guys can see, I am swooping it from, or shifting it side to side, just to let you guys see how the wig looks. The wig is a little on the thin side, you guys. Probably seeing a couple tracks in the back as I was turning around, but it is a pretty cute wig. It does tangle a little and shed, so yeah, overall it's a pretty cute wig. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.